Hey everyone, it's Tara here. Today I'm sharing a little haul from the Target Dollar Spot. I bought a bunch of items there, some like springy time, Easter time items, and everything I bought with the intention to kind of do a challenge for myself where I make some mail art just out of the items that I bought from the Dollar Spot. So I'm going to post that video next weekend, so be sure to tune in. First up, I have these little flags that I got. I thought the colors were really pretty and they have some foiling on them, so they're really cool looking. Then I got some napkins, some flamingo with some gold foiling, and then some floral design with a scallop edge. Then I also got this letter writing set. I thought it was really cute. And it came with a little pen, a little ballpoint pen, some labels, envelopes, and some sheets of paper. The labels I was concerned about because they were kind of shiny and plasticky, so I was like, I don't know if the pen's going to write on it. But it was like really nice to write on, so that was really surprising. And the envelopes are just kind of cute. They're a little yellow and pink, just like a cute little design. And then the paper has a little floral background, and then it's lined on the other side. It says "Seize the Day" and it has a little flower in the bottom right there. So it's cute, and I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. Then I picked up all the sticker packs that they had. These are all like Easter themed, which I was kind of disappointed by. I was hoping for more just spring stuff. And it seems like they really just have the same stickers in all of them, which is really unusual for the Dollar Spot. Whenever they have like different covers, they usually have different stickers in them and different kind of themes. But kind of got all the same stuff, so that was kind of a waste. And then these were really cool to me, like some holographic tape. And they had 3 different colors. There was like the pinky, the green, and then a white one. And I wanted to test these out. They were really hard to pull the tape off of the dispenser. And I wanted to test it out on some paper, some black, and then some white to see what it looked like when it actually was on paper. I don't think it's that impressive when you put it down, but it's still pretty cool, and I'll use it. And it's not a lot of tape, so I'm sure going to use it up pretty quick. On the black, it wasn't that impressive, but I think the white, it looks a little bit better on white paper than black. But it's kind of funny because they really kind of look the same when you put them down. There's not a lot of difference to the tape color themselves. And then I also got this washi tape. I was really hoping it would be paper tape because usually the washi tape in the Dollar Spot is paper. But this was plastic and impossible to rip with your hands. So I was really upset about that because I hate plastic washi tape. I think it's just the worst. So these are all the different designs they had, and it's not a lot of tape on the rolls, so I'm probably going to throw most of these away after I make the mail art with it. And then they had these gel pens, jelly rolls. They were scented. I don't think they were quite the scent that they were said they were. They were definitely had a smell to them, but I was thinking like maybe the chocolate and banana would probably have more of a realistic smell, but it really just, they all kind of smelled the same. But it's cute, and the little stickers on them were really cute that told you what smell they were, what scent they were. I thought they were pretty cute. So the little faces on the objects. But they were actually really nice pens. And then I also got these gel pens. They had the multicolors in them. I don't know why I thought that maybe when you wrote with them, all the colors would shine through or show through, not shine. But it doesn't make any sense. Like, how could that even happen? It's just like once you use up a color, the other color comes through. So they're kind of useless. But again, they're really nice pens, so can't really complain. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!